Guys, we have just finished my homework, and it is in a tropical rainforest. And we are going to put the butterflies in next video. You guys will see.
So tell us what's going on in there.
So let me set it down and I'll tell you.
Okay.
So, this toucan lives right here in the tree. And this bug lives in the tree, and the bee.
Wesley! You might have to move it away from him.
Wesley!
Okay.
So, guys, like I was saying, the bee was in the tree here, and the toucan lives in there, and this bug. So, the bee and the toucan are still flying down like this. Pew! And they're having a big bug party, and this bug is climbing down all the way because he is still climbing down. And all these bugs are going too. And this frog meets the tiger, and he has a puddle of water on top of his head. And he is spitting at the tiger because he doesn't like him. And this bug is flying, and he's going to slurp up some water because he is thirsty, and he's going to save some for his friends to make sure anybody else at the bug party is thirsty. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my video. See you in the next video. Bye!